Alright guys, welcome to another video. Oh, we're gonna be picking up trash today. I saw some trash on that direction last time I was here, so we're gonna go clean that up. Oh, my back hurts. Yeah, don't throw trash, guys, 'cause that disrespects the spirits, nature spirits. When you come into nature, you wanna say something like, "Forgive me for all the damage that I might cause," and bring an offering. I brought an apple. You can put it right here, so anywhere, put it wherever you want, and just say, I give that offering to the nature spirits, to the animals, to the insects. Yes, and forgive me for causing damage. I brought my little click click clack 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 clack. There's a pit here. So as for forgiveness, okay, yeah, as for forgiveness when entering these areas, because you might like slip, grab onto a branch, break it, and you'll make the tree sad. Well, no, you don't make them sad, but it still hurts him. And you might step on an insect, or there's a bottle right there, I can't get it. Oh. Yeah, you can also kill the grass. But yeah, just ask for forgiveness, bring your little offering, and everything will be good. Found this. Well, a lot of this trash is like really deep inside the woods. Look at this spot, guys. It's the camera. Okay, let me fix it. There we go. I really like this spot. Look at it, guys. It looks beautiful. Well, let's continue downwards. See if we find anything of trash and spirits, nature spirits. Wow. All this trash is like really in there. Oh, come here, boy. Come here, boy. I got you. Just got it. Guys, look. We got litter. I don't think I can go that way. What? This big thing. Oh my God, guys. Look at it. What the heck? Well, there were birds. There were a lot of birds. I think. Yeah. Look at it, guys. Ah. Wow. Wow, guys, look at this guy. Wow. Wow, this looks real nice, guys. Well, there's trash. We'll pick it up and get rid of it. Let's just keep exploring. Those are ducks over there. Oop, little frog. What is this thing? I don't know. Oh, they're coming, guys. They're coming. Ooh, look at them. Oh, I don't think you see them. Wow. Now that looks beautiful. Well, the duck's coming towards us. I could go all the way down there, but nah. We'll stop right here and look at all this beautifulness. These look real nice, guys. There's a lot of shells. Look, shells. A lot of them. What the heck? Ooh. There's a shoe. Come shoe. Another can. And thing over there. What is this thing? I don't know. It goes in the trash. Let's go pick up the other trash. Aha. Thought he could hide from me. Come here. Oh. Come here. Ah. I killed one of the things. No. This looks real nice, guys. There's a bunch of trash. Oh, come on. Come here, Gary. Windy. What's that? It's nothing. One day more. Another road, another destiny. Guys, I feel like swimming. I want to swim in there. It looks real nice. One day more. You can see little fishies. How do I get down there? Oh. Got a little shells. Bloop. Was that a turtle? Guys, it's a turtle. Come here, turtle. Oh, it's leaving. Oh, it left. There was a turtle over there. Look how it looks over there. Oh, what is that? Is that a turtle? Oh, there it is. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. Hey, Mr. Turtle, buy me a drink. No ups, no ups. Should we try going down here? Let's do it. I see plastic. Come here, boy. Oh, I'm gonna throw this one over there. Oh, nature spirits, help me out here. Oh. Oh, tired. All right, let's go home, guys. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. You learned some stuff, how to treat nature. respect the nature. So just grab this, tell them thank you, I love you. Yeah. I'm tired. Alright, see you on the next one.